How to ban someone on Instagram. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So before starting the video, make sure to update Instagram to the latest version. After updating Instagram, open up Instagram on a device. So first of all, go to the person's profile. Tap on the message icon at the top right corner. Now open up a message or simply go to your followers and open up the profile. Tap on profile picture. Again tap on profile. Now tap on three dots at the top right corner. Now simply tap on report. Now choose the reason for their ban. Again select the reason. Now tap on submit report. Now if your report is valid, then Instagram will ban their account. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.